Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about front-end development, front-end web development. Today I am going to show you three different properties related to visibility and appearance of an element. You heard it right. There are three properties related to visibility and appearance. Two are very common and widely used. One is relatively new and less used. The two widely used property are display and visibility. Display can have several properties like display inline block, flex, display grid, that is a comparatively new value, and there is display none. Except none, the other values will show the element on the browser, but it show it differently depending on the value. For if the display property is set to none, then the element will be completely gone from the browser. It will not even take up the space it usually takes. It will be completely gone from the browser. It will completely gone from the document object model. It will not be there. Visibility can have few values. The two most common are visibility hidden and visibility visible. If the visibility property is set to visible, then the element will be visible on the browser normally, and if the visibility of the property is set to hidden, then the element will take up the space but will not be visible to the user. The third property is the called appearance. It's comparatively new than the other two. The appearance CSS property is used to display an element using platform native styling based on the operating system theme. So what does this mean? Let's see in the code. So let's get started. Let's create an HTML file. I'm using Visual Studio Code for all my code. This is an emit abbreviation to set up the basic environment like the header properties, meta properties, titles, everything. So let's start the coding to see the differences between display, visibility and appearance properties. Let's take a division property. Inside this, let's have a checkbox, input value, checkbox, say the name is any, id is any, it can be any name. Have a let's set the label for the element. For any, it should be same as the id of the input element for which the label is we are creating. Set the label value to any label. Let's save it. Then let's style the elements so that we can see the differences between the three properties, CSS properties. Let's do it internally with CSS style. First, let's give a border to the division element. We'll just keep three borders to the three elements here, and let's see what's the difference between display, visibility and appearance. Let's give a border of 1 pixel solid green. Then for input element, it is border 1 pixel solid blue. Then for the label element, border is 1 pixel solid red. Let's see in the browser what it shows. I'm going to use an extension of the Visual Studio Code to see the web page on the browser. It's called Live Server. If you don't have it, you can install it from the extensions here. Just search for Live Server. This is the I have installed it earlier. Is creates a server on your PC and show the web page on your default browser. I have installed it earlier, so I can use it now. You can start the server, live server, from right clicking here and open with live server. There is a shortcut Alt L, Alt O, or there is a button here say go live. When you first install live server, the button will not appear here. You have to do it from here. When you use it for some time, it will be there, the button will be there. Let's start the server and see what the code shows. See, the borders are shown. The green border is for the division element, the red border is for the label element. The border for the input element will not be shown right now. And now let's change the visibility values so to see the differences between them. Let's first change the visibility to hidden for the input element. Visibility hidden. Let's save it. If we save it, the web page will be automatically updated by the live server. See, the element is checkbox element is not there anymore, but it took up the space it took earlier. It have taken earlier. Then for visibility hidden, the element will be invisible to the user, but the space will be taken by the element. Let's say other values. If we set the display property to none to the input element, property to none, let's see it. See, the label element is shifted towards the left and it's on the edge of the D. That means the checkbox element is completely gone from the browser. When you set the display property none to any element, it will be gone from the browser. It will be gone from the document object model and it will not take any space. Let's see the third property, appearance, with the none value, and let's see what happens when you set the appearance of an element to none. Let's see. Appearance none and save it and see in the browser. See, there is a blue dot. Let's zoom it a bit to see it. There is a blue dot. The blue dot is the border of the input element we set earlier. So when we set the appearance property to none, the element will not appear, but it will not be completely gone like display none. The element is there, but it will not be visible. Just its border and other things will be visible there. So this is the difference between the three properties: appearance none, display none, and visibility hidden. There are three different properties in CSS for visibility of an element, and they are a bit different from each other. If you have any confusion or any question, please ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer everyone's question. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate your time. I value your time. If you like the video, for future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I will publish videos regularly on various topics related to technology and development and programming. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.